Hey, what's up guys? My name is Zed. And today we're going to be raising awareness on the current issues that are happening in Palestine. We're going to be going out on the streets today and raising these signs that say honk for Palestine. And we're going to be seeing how many people support Palestine. And for each honk, we're going to be donating $5 towards the cause. So let's see how many people support Palestine.
You guys honk, we too.
You just honk. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. So many people actually came out of their cars just to give us money for this cause. Wallahi, this is so amazing. Let's go! Let's do death kit. It's like a beat. He's still going! Woo! That is $100!
Honestly, anything counts for the people of Gaza. I mean, if it means raising awareness through honking, then be it.
Here we go, come on.
For those of you who don't know what's happening in Palestine, there are buildings being bombed. Children and their mothers being killed. It's 2014 now. You would think that things like this won't happen in our world anymore. We might be humans, but we don't have any humanity inside us anymore. We as the youth, we have what it takes in us to make a change by donating, by raising awareness, by letting people know what's happening. You guys are already helping the cause because all the money that the views from this video makes, it's all going to be donated to the people in Palestine. So please share this video, raise awareness, let people know what's happening because the people of Palestine don't deserve this. Hell, no human in this world deserves what the people in Palestine are going through right now. And we, as the world, we're silent. We need to raise a voice. We need to make a change. Because one day this could be us. And no one will be raising a voice against us. I'd also like to give a huge shout out to Omar for helping me out with this video. His link is in the description below, so check him out. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and inshallah, one day Palestine will be free.